Manipur da handak Esing-Echao thokiba adu mafam ayambada hantarakle loinana awaba nanglibasingda Pangba Yaba Mateng makha tana pinaba hotnagani haina Manipur gi Governor Anusia Wike na fongdokre. Wafam asi ngasi Esing-Echao thokpadagi Khuman Lampaki Hostel number 2 da lairiba miyoishingi laifam amasung Chingmairong amadi Dulalangi ising thumjinkiba akoibada Manipur gi Governor na yengsin khongchat chatpada fongdokhibani. Khongchat aduda mahakna hai Manipur da khangaudana thorakpa Esing-Echao aduna mafam kaya ising thumjinkiba adu mafam ayambadi hantarakle. Esing-Echao na maram oiduna relief camp singda lairiba miyoi singda dry ration yauna mateng kaya piri. Loinana makata na awat apa singsu yengsingani. Lainga ki maikaidagi amadi NDRF loinana SDRF yauna tongan ba department singna miyamgi mateng pangle. Masida awat apa lairabasu laingak na yengsingadabani haiki. Khongchat aduda department kayana miyamgi mateng panglamba adu hakthengna na yengsinbaga loinana thagatpasu fongdokhi. Khongchat aduda saruk yakhiba Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner Khumanthem Daina na fongdokhibada Imphal East District ki mafam kayadasu cyclone Remal na maram oiduna Esing-Echao thokhi. Adubu Esing-Echao adu tapna hantarakpana mafam kaya saphabadi oire. Masina maram oiduna miyoi kharadi mayum maikaida hannabasu yaure. Esing-Echao thokpa asida Water Resources Department PHED, IFCD, Health, NDRF amasung SDRF loinana volunteer sing amadi tongan ba department singna mateng pangkhiba dusu thagatli. Esing-Echao thoklabasing asida dry ration sing pibaga loinana health camp na chingbasu pangthokli. Esing-Echao na thumkhraba mafam singda survey chatuna yengsinbagi thabaksu chathari haina fongdokhi.
What is the current status in your district about the flood?
This district has been affected by incessant rain follow this one because of the cyclone Remal. So we have Imphal East district, we have seen that a number of villages have been affected by this flood. So as of now, today is 6 June, the water level has receded to a much better level. However, in some of the houses and in some of the localities, the water level is yet to recede. So that people can go back to their homes and start living their normal life. So many departments, the concerned stakeholders like the Water Resources Department, IFCD, PHED, Health, and even and also a lot of voluntary organizations, they have come out to help better to improve the situation.
Madam, just now we see that you visited
Dry ration. Our focus earlier was on rescue and evacuation exercise in the initial days. However, that the rescue and evacuation has been now completed. We are now focusing from day one only. We have been giving dry ration. So we have been giving dry ration and also medical through our health department. We have also been organized a number of health camps. So we have been doing our part. Relief materials have been distributed to the affected households, and after this we will also be taking up survey, and as per the guidelines and assistant norms, government will decide the need for it.
Madam,
So difficult
okay.
on our part to comment. That will be a technical, it will be on the basis of some technical expert. So
how many people have been affected by this?
Figure, but a number of households have been affected.
Yeah, understand.